What's up, guys? What's up, my homesteaders? What's up with all those who want to be a homesteader? You get a little property, man. We living in that day and age. I think it's growing in popularity. We moved out to Tennessee in 2020, and we got this 4 acres out here, and we've been able to start making a lot of changes. Some of you have been here long enough. You've seen some of the things we've done, such as building that shed or building that lean-to over there. But the one I've been working on was this fence here. That's going to be for our additional goats, so the wife can see them from up at the deck up there. Some of you know that. And I almost got this puppy done. Just got to get these tops cut off. And I want to show you something I learned about these tops here. If the wind's loud, but one of the things, cutting them off at an angle, right? And what I learned about doing that out here, because, you know, I never stalled this kind of fence. I did barbed wire fencing back in Texas as a kid. But you got to cut them off so the water doesn't build up on top of them. So I got that on there, and look, it ain't perfectly straight, but again, this was used wood, cheap wood. But cutting them off with this, my Lord, that is such a pain in the butt. I already burned through, the last time I cut a lot of my other fence posts that I had done, I burned through one of them battery operated ones, so I would highly advise against battery operated, so I went and bought a cordless one. I literally burned up the engine, or the motor, electric motor. But the best thing that I used, believe it or not, was a chainsaw. It created a kind of a rougher cut. But yeah, cutting them off with this. So just my little quick update, putting together the fencing. I did buy the heavier duty wiring for the goats. It just looks nicer. 2x6 it out. Looks a lot nicer, stronger, a lot better. So almost done. We got to figure out if we're going to stain paint it or what we're going to do to it. But this is going to be a cool little area. I got to put a door in right there so they can come in, because we're going to have 4 stalls inside there, and then I'll put a door. I got to figure out how to do that so we can let them in here during the day and they can hang out. I'm gonna let y'all see how much a pain in the butt this is, man. Chainsaw was so much easier, and that was a brand new blade, and I've only cut two so far, and watch how crazy dull this is, or just how hard it is. And this is only a 4x4. First one I cut was a 4x4 too. Yeah, watch. So set it right here, get that angle on it. It's gonna take like 10 minutes. Vibrates the hands, man. It's probably the dumb way to do it. OSHA probably wouldn't approve of that. But frankly, I don't care. This vibration and that, what it's doing to my shoulder, then it starts smoking, gets so hot, smoking. Lord help me. Well, I can't sing. I'm just trying to be stupid and funny. It's got to be boring watching this. Oh yeah, baby, it's almost there. A little close up. Oh yeah, boys and their toys. All right, so I got the tops cut off, except for there. I left those. You can see it all the way around, so now it looks sweet, man. So I've left them 4x6. I don't want to cut them 4x6s. Them 4x4s just kick my butt. My hand's still vibrating. But anyway, it'd be cool to put a sign across there. But there you go. There's the new goat pen. And I just got to work on that door next. Thanks for tuning in. Keep coming back. You'll see the changes we make on the old farmstead here. Homestead, whatever you want to call it.